What's up everybody? Welcome to Dee Maree'S channel. Today I will be telling you guys about my channel. Somebody asked me to do about me for my YouTube, so if this is something you guys are interested in, please stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so the reason why I started a YouTube channel is because during the pandemic, started getting into my natural hair journey. So I just started looking up different type of things like 4C type hair and how to like figure out what 4C hair is. And like once I discovered how to actually take care of my natural hair, I was like so intrigued by all the YouTube videos that was out there. So then I was thinking like, I need to start my own channel. Maybe I should start my own YouTube channel. So I did, and then I started getting into hair care. So then I started thinking like, maybe I should do my own hair care line. And so then I did. So I have a hair care line called Gemstone Hair Care. And it's on Facebook and it's on Instagram. So you make sure you guys follow Gemstone Hair Care. I'm pretty much just selling castor oil and edge control. A lot of black women use edge control often, so that was something that I was very interested into like figuring out and selling. So I'm like, I think I really want to sell edge control because I always use edge control. So that's another thing. I'm also a mom, a new mom. My son is 1. So I'm learning. I'm a boy mom, so I'm trying to learn new things. So I also look up a lot of stuff on YouTube for my son, like what to feed a 1-year-old, activities to do with a 1-year-old, and that type of stuff made me want to do that on my channel. So that's going to be something you see on my channel, plus the 4C type hairstyles or something else that I'll be putting on my channel. How to wash my 4C type hair, how to test my 4C type hair, like all type of stuff about my hair type I will be putting on there. This is currently a wig I have on, but I do have 4C type hair. You guys should do research on it. It's like so like mind-blowing on hair care, like, so that's mainly like the main thing I'll be doing on my YouTube channel. But I also be doing different things like workouts. I want to try different workouts, see if I can lose weight and what helped me lose weight if I do. Like, I just want to help people and want people to see. I already got a couple of tutorials up, like eyebrows, how to do your eyebrows, how to apply lashes, all type of stuff. So I think I have like 4 different videos up right now, but I really want to like do weekly and like really get into my YouTube. So that's really pretty much it. That's about me. Yeah, so hopefully you guys really do like everything that I post, and if you do, please do not forget to like and subscribe. But this is pretty much it about me. I'm Dee Maree'S, and I'm gonna be posting different tutorials and different things, and hopefully you guys like them. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.